Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be talking about why I chose to go with the pedal box instead of some of the other, throttle control devices they got on the market. You know what I'm saying? Because when I was looking at different products, you know what I'm saying, for me it was pretty much between the pedal box, the pedal commander, and the Vitesse throttle controller. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole lot others on the market, but today I'm gonna be talking about why I decided to go with the pedal box over the other two. You know what I mean? So let's get straight into it. Alright, so here it actually is right here, or here's the box for it, because I actually have it all installed already. You know what I'm saying? If you want to watch that video on how to install pedal box, I'll link that below. But yeah, man, so this is the box. So I guess first I'll talk about the other two competitors that I was considering. You know what I'm saying? When I was in the market, you know, doing research and stuff like that, and kind of looking to see which one I was gonna get. You know what I'm saying? That's the pedal commander and the Vitesse throttle controller. And so the pedal commander was actually the first one that I kind of discovered. You know what I'm saying? That I had already heard about, that I already knew about, and I knew what it was, I knew what it did. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much all three of these, or any other ones that you know of, they all do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? They're throttle controllers. They cut out a lot of the lag in your throttle. You know what I'm saying? So I had already knew about the pedal commander. Now I had knew about it, but I had never, I was never in the market for one. My previous cars honestly I haven't known about it until fairly recently. So you know what I'm saying. But when I found out about it, I was like, oh, okay, you know what I'm saying, that's pretty cool. But I wasn't looking to buy one at right at that time. So as I get to digging into doing more research about this pedal commander, when I thought about getting one of these, I started seeing people have a whole lot of problems that I wasn't trying to have. You know what I'm saying? Specifically with the pedal commander, through Camaro forums and watching some YouTubers here on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? People was talking about put the pedal commander on and they got check engine lights now. You know what I'm saying? Or they threw it on, and I've heard more than one person say they put it on, and while they were driving, like, they tried to switch modes while they were driving, and people's car just kept accelerating. You know what I'm saying? Like, you take your foot off the pedal, off the gas pedal, and your car is still going. You know what I'm saying? And people, trying to brake, but their car still trying to go, and they had to cut the car off, and you know what I'm saying, hit the end, all of that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to have those problems. And again, apparently it's, you can't change what mode you're in, or change it at all while you're driving. You know what I'm saying? You actually have to be stopped and parked and everything like that to change it. So that's something, just if you're considering the pedal commander, just know that. You know what I'm saying? The other one was the Vitesse throttle controller, and some kind of negative things that I had heard about that one was some of the same things with the pedal commander. You know what I'm saying? People was talking about, as soon as they put it on, check engine lights and stuff like that. Also, they put it on, drove with it for a while, and then their car went into limp mode. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't really feeling that. But then I came across the pedal box, you know what I'm saying? It's John right here. And I came across the pedal box, and people were pretty much only heard good things, you know what I mean? I only heard really good things, honestly. Like, I haven't heard a bad, honestly, I haven't heard a bad thing about the pedal box to date, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, whenever I'm looking to, you know what I'm saying, buy a upgrade or mod or something like that, I like to research and make sure, you know, okay, should I spend the extra money and get this, or, you know, should I save some money and get this and it's still, you know, whatever. So I was doing research for a little while, you know what I mean? And all I kept seeing and hearing was great things about the pedal box. So I went ahead and copped it, you know what I'm saying? And for me, it's been nothing but great things, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely glad I made the choice that I made, that I went with the pedal box over the other two, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much the reason why I went with the pedal box, you know what I mean? For the other two, but yeah, for the other two, and, you know, a couple of other, you know, small name, you know, cheaper throttle controllers, you know, they seemed kind of not great quality made, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. And these two ones specifically, you know, issues that the pedal box just, you know, doesn't you know, don't seem to have those type of issues. So I'm definitely trying to get down with that, you know. No having to worry about it turning on, you know, check engine lights and stuff like that. Don't need to worry about it messing with your car, computer, having to go into limp mode, you know. No having to worry about you know, all those type of issues, man. Fucking, I'm not trying to be driving and keep accelerating and not be able to stop, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's it, man. That's pretty much the reason I decided to go with the pedal box. Very glad and very happy that I did. I feel like I made the correct choice, you know what I mean? But that was my choice. Do your own research, and you know, if you do decide to go to the pedal box, which I do definitely recommend, you know what I mean? Just to be 100 with you, I recommend the pedal box. Straight up. If you do decide to go with it, then like I said, check out my installation video of how to install a pedal box in a Camaro. Very easy steps, but that's it for this video. Make sure you like the video. If you got any questions, anything like that, hit up the comment box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed already, hit the bell where you be notified every time I drop a video. And that's pretty much it, man. Peace out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Squad.